Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. Today we are learning CSS Grid Basics step by step with real example. By the end of this video, you will be able to build clean layout like website, dashboards and cards section easily. But before we start, if your layout ever feel messy or you struggle to align items properly, then this video will completely clear your confusion. Now, before learning grid, let's understand a very important difference between Flexbox and grid. Flexbox is a one-dimensional layout system, work in a one direction only, row or column. Best for navbar, buttons, small UI components. Now let's understand CSS Grid. CSS Grid is a two-dimensional layout system. Works row and column together. Best for full page layouts, dashboards, image galleries. Simple way to remember difference between Flexbox and Grid. Flexbox means line one direction. Then grid means table, row and column. Now that you understand the difference, let's start with CSS grid practically. Open VS Code and start. First, let's create a simple layout div. I'm giving it class name container. Now inside this div, add six div. I'm giving it class name item. Copy this div and paste. Second, third, fourth, five, six. Add here number 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4, 5, 6. Select all, format document. This is our container and these are grid item inside it. Structure is ready. Now let's make it visible. Dot item background tail. Now I am adding color white. Add padding 20 pixel and add text align center. Save and open with live server. This is just basic styling, no grid at. I'm styling container. Display grid. Display grid. This single line activates CSS grid. Save and refresh. Activates CSS grid. If grid is not working, check this line. First most common mistake. Now grid is active. Let's create column. Create column. I'm adding grid template column. Grid template column. Repeat 3, 1 FR. 3 means column. 1 FR means equal space. This creates 3 equal columns. Save and see output. First column, second column, and third column. These items are automatically arranged side by side. Now let's understand row. I'm adding grid template row. Auto. Now say row adjusts automatically based on content. In real project, we usually don't set fixed rows in basic layouts. Now, layout is working, but spacing is missing. Adds this, okay, see, this adds space between items and makes layout clean. Now, this is a complete basic CSS grid layout. You can use this real project like card layout, image galleries, dashboards, website section. Almost every modern website uses grid. Let's quickly revise Flexbox one direction, grid two directions, display grid, activate grid. Grid template column creates columns. Gap adds spacing. Always use FR instead of pixel. It makes you layout responsive and flexible. So now you understand CSS grid basics and Flexbox difference. In the next video, we will build a real project using grid. Keep coding, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe